Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Juniper here with a really quick video for you guys. I'm just going to be showing you my setup for 2019. So to start off with, I have my two journals here. The first is a Leuchtturm pocket. This is just a food diary. It's not beautiful. I don't really take time to set it up. I just go in every day and write down the date, wrote down how many of my vitamins that I took that day, how many bottles of water did I drink, how much did I eat, that sort of thing. Also, if I worked out, I'll put down if I worked out on there. So it's really not that special. The important part of this video, though, is my Nuuna, which, as you can tell, is the same one as last year. So to start off with, I have a quote from F. Scott Fitzgerald, which I absolutely love the quote. It's one of my favorite. I really like how my journal came out. I really went simple this time. I drew all of this stuff myself, which made me really happy. I got the inspiration from Pinterest, of course, but I actually sketched and drew stuff out this time, and I like it. I opted to not have a year at a glance or holidays because I noticed I really didn't use it much. I really wanted to keep my spreads what I needed. So I definitely slimmed down what I was using and definitely made changes. I do have a movie and a book list. Now movies seems a bit redundant for some people, but for me, it really, really is important for me because I watch a lot of movies. I'm a big movie buff. I love to recommend movies. I work from home, so I watch a lot of movies in the background while I'm working. So the movie list for me is actually more important than the upcoming holidays because I can just look at the holidays on my phone and know what's coming up and put them in my planner. Movies and stuff, I'm going to forget. So I definitely slimmed it down. You can also tell my weekly spreads are a lot different than they used to be. It's a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. If you really want to know in depth, since this is just a really short flip through, definitely follow my Instagram or check out the Amino app, the bullet journaling group specifically, because I do go in depth with my spreads and I do explain them a bit more. So I guess that's really all. If you liked my video, please, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, just, leave them at the bottom. I had a lot of fun, recording these, and I'm getting a lot better at editing, so I hope this means that I'll be adding some more. Hopefully I can figure out how long I need to record for the voiceover part, because I definitely got to do that. Oh, this is my Hobonichi pen. This is what I used to write with. Definitely a lot more minimal than before. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, happy planning!